Hi all of you, welcome back to our class once again. Today I will discuss about the trajectory of a projectile is a parabola. Okay, the motion parameters of a projectile, the motion. Now we will discuss about the motion parameters. The motion parameters is a parabola. First of all, the projectile motion here, diagram here. Okay. The body projected with an angle theta x axis. This is the angle of projection. Theta is here, angle of projection. Initial velocity of the projectile here u. Initial velocity of the projectile here u. The velocity of the projectile along the x axis ux is equal to u cos theta, u cos theta. The velocity of the projectile along y axis here, initial velocity u sin theta, u sin theta. This component here, initial velocity, two components divided to two components. Here one ux is equal to u cos theta, uy is equal to here u y is equal to u sin theta. Now parameters of projectile motion. Parameters of your projectile motion. For example, velocity of the projectile at any instant of the time. Here, velocity of projectile at any instant of at t, any instant. So, for example, y component, for example, here velocity of the x component at any instant of the projectile displacement here, for example, here x. Y component here y. The initial velocity of the projectile along x axis ux, along y axis here uy. Okay. In terms of initial velocity in vector form, n vector form, ux bar place here uy bar. This is a vector form in projectile motion. Velocity of vector form in projectile motion. Now, at any instant of the time, initial velocity here along the x component does not change. The projectile moving through along x axis is constant. Acceleration here 0. Acceleration here 0. So acceleration a is equal to 0. Here ux is equal to here constant. Okay. It does not change along the x component. X విలువ అనేది ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ అనేది క్షితిజ సమాంతర దిశలో వేగం అనేది మారదు, కానీ దాని యాక్సలరేషన్ అనేది 0 గా ఉంటుంది. ఏ దిశలో ఉంది? x దిశలో. Now at any instant of the time ux is equal to here ux is equal to u cos theta, and at any instant of the time vertical direction. So vertical direction is equal to v is equal to u plus here at formula. Y direction here y velocity along vertical direction. So the acceleration is changes because of the gravitational force acting on the body. గురుత్వ ఆకర్షణ బలం అనేది ఆ కణం పైన వస్తువు పైన పనిచేయడం వల్ల దాని యొక్క త్వరణం క్షణానికి మారుతుంది. అంటే every point the acceleration changes. Every point along the vertical direction the acceleration values here changes. So the body moving upward direction here a is equal to minus g. A is equal to here minus g. Now this values vertical direction v is equal to here ux means uy means here u sin theta minus ay is equal to minus g, and here time t. This is a vertical component. This one here vertical component. Horizontal component ux is equal to here u cos theta. These two values here substituting, these two values here substituting in vector form u cos theta plus here and u sin theta minus g. Okay, this is a vector form. The magnitude of the this at any instant of the particle and projected magnitude so this one here in vector form here magnitude means magnitude of projectile motion is equal to mod of v is equal to under root of here u x square plus here u y square, so this value is substituting v mod of v is equal to u cos theta whole square plus here plus u sin theta minus gt square under root. Okay, this one here vector components is here vector component, x component this one here y component. Okay, the trajectory of a projectile is a parabola. So here the displacement of the particle y is equal to tan theta x minus g x square by 2u square here sin cos square theta. Now this formula find the initial velocity of projectile okay, and the initial velocity of the projectile. Now in terms here in terms of UAB. Here U means initial velocity, A and B are constants. Here constant. Here A is equal to tan theta and B is equal to G by 2u square cos square theta. These are your constant terms. So in terms of here initial velocity, constants here A and B. This equation find the initial velocity. How to calculate the solve out this initial velocity? Okay. Now here B is equal to G by 2u square cos square theta. B is equal to G by 2u square cos square theta. Simplifies here initial velocity is equal to G by 2b cos square theta. Now this cos square is equal to 1 by cos square is equal to sec square theta. Here sec square theta by 2b. Okay. Now sec square theta is equal to 1 plus here tan square theta. So this sec square value is here, this one here substituting. So initial velocity of the projectile u square is equal to here g into 1 plus tan square theta by 2b. Okay. So here a is equal to tan theta. Here a is equal to tan theta. So this tan theta substituting the tan theta replace here a. Initial velocity is equal u is equal to g into 1 plus here a square by 2b. Simplifies here. Therefore, initial velocity of the projectile u is equal to under root of here g into 1 plus a square by 2b. This is in terms of here initial velocity constant a and b. These terms. Next, the relation between in terms of constants a, b and r, the range. Okay. Next one, this one you have note. In terms of here next one, the find the initial velocity. Next, the relation between here relation between the projectile in terms of range a and b. Okay. Here range formula, first of all here I will write range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. U square sin 2 theta by g. So here వ్యాప్తి యొక్క ఫార్ములా u square sin 2 theta by g. Now ఇక్కడ రిలేషన్ ఏంటంటే వీటి మధ్య సంబంధము రేంజ్ వ్యాప్తి స్థిరాంకాలు a and b. స్థిరాంకాలు here a and b. Now here a by b. That is equal to a values here tan theta by b values here g by 2 u square cos a theta b values. So simplifies here this one tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Here sin by cos. Okay. This term 2 u square cos square theta by g. So once cancel here cos theta here cos theta once get cancel here remaining 2 here u square sin theta cos theta by g. Simplifies here. Now a by b is equal to 2 u square sin theta cos theta by g. So here a by b is equal to u square into 2 sin theta cos theta by g. That is equal to here u square this one here sin 2 theta. So this is the range is equal to here formula u square sin 2 theta by g. So this is equal to r. Here r. So simplifies here a by b is equal to r. So the trajectory equation, parabola equation here in terms of here a, b and r. So therefore range is equal to a by b. Now the trajectory equation write down in terms of displacement of projectile along x axis, the displacement of projectile along y axis and range. So the trajectory equation now range is equal to in terms of so this equation here y is equal to tan theta x minus g by x square by 2 u square cos k theta. This equation in terms of range, displacement and y. Write down range or displacement of projectile along x-axis at any instant of the time, and y displacement of projectile along vertical direction at any instant of the time. This equation in terms of here range x and y. Now this one here y is equal to tan x tan theta common, x tan theta here common. So 1 minus here remaining gx by here tan theta, this terms here 2u square cos square theta, 2u square cos square theta. Now simplifies x tan theta into 1 minus gx by here tan theta nothing but sin by cos, tan theta is equal to sin by cos. So here sin theta by cos theta into 2u square cos square theta. Okay, here cos theta once cancel, cos theta here once cancel, remaining x tan theta into 1 minus here gx by 2u square, 2u square. Okay, this one here y is equal to x tan theta, x tan theta into 1 minus here gx by once cancel, remaining terms here 2u square sin theta cos theta. Okay, so x tan theta into 1 minus g here x by 2u square sin theta cos theta by this one here g. Okay, so simplifies here displacement of the projectile along vertical direction y is equal to x tan theta into 1 minus here x by r. This is in terms of here x, y and range r. Here r is equal to 2u square cos theta sin theta, that is equal to u square sin 2 theta, u square here sin 2 theta. Okay, this one here is in terms of the displacement along x axis, displacement along y axis, and range of the projectile along x direction. Okay, now the velocity component, next one. For a projectile here, here y component of velocity, okay, at any instant or at any time t, the maximum half of the maximum velocity, half of the maximum of a maximum velocity, maximum height, u is equal to here u sin theta by root 2. This is a root. How to solve and how to we get this equation? We will get this equal to half of the here velocity component of vertical direction at half of the maximum height, v is equal to u sin theta by root 2. Okay, here first of all this here projectile motion, initial velocity, okay, vertical component here, this one here vertical component, this one here x, capital H, this one here, this is a capital H. Okay, half of the maximum height, so half of the maximum height here y is equal to h by 2, h by 2, and h means here s is equal to y is equal to half of the maximum height. That means here is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g into 2. Here displacement of the projectile along vertical direction s is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. Here half of the displacement, so vertical direction s is equal to here s is equal to u square sin square theta by 4g. Okay, this one here h by 2 dash. The velocity of the projectile along vertical direction here u y is equal to u sin theta. ఈ దిశలో ఆ projectile యొక్క వేగం ఎంతమా u y is equal to u sin theta. ఓకే, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం మీన్స్ అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం మైండ్ లో సగం వద్ద దాని యొక్క డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఎంత, డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ అంటే స్థాన మోషన్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని మనం గరిష్ట ఉన్నదిలో సగం h by 2. సో u y is equal to u sin theta. నౌ మనం ఎలా అయితే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఎలాగే పొందగలుగుతాం, ఈ సమీకరణం నుండి, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ నుండి ఈ సమీకరణం ఎలా పొందగలుగుతాం అనేది ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్. సో at maximum velocity is equal to, here v is equal to v square minus u square is equal to 2as formula. The equation, third equation of motion, this is the third equation of motion. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Here v means here velocity at half of the maximum height. Here vy means velocity at half of the maximum height. Here u velocity of the projectile, initial velocity of the projectile at point of projection, and a the body moving upward direction, here a is equal to minus g, and h is equal to, so values. These values here, s values, a values and u values we are substituting. Now we are substituting. Here u square is minus uy means this one, u sin theta square is equal to 2 into, here a is equal to minus g, s is equal to h by 2. So v square is equal to, this taken as right side positive values, u square here sin square theta minus s into minus, so 2g half of the maximum height is equal to u square sin square theta by 4g. That is equal to here u square sin square theta by 4g. Okay, here 2 1 jam 2 2 jam j get cancel, here get cancel. Remaining v square is equal to the velocity of the projectile at half of the maximum height, v is equal to u square sin square theta minus, here remaining terms u square sin square theta by 2. So cross multiplication, here cross multiplication simplifies v is equal to here u square 2 u square sin square theta minus here u square sin square theta by g by 2. Simplifies v is equal to 2 times here 1 times difference here u square sin square theta by 2 simplifies. Therefore here v square terms, here this is a v square term. Okay, v square term. So v is equal to the root of u square sin square theta by 2. Therefore final velocity of the projectile at half of the maximum height, v is equal to, so v is equal to here u sin theta by under root 2. This is a equation. This means here projectile in vertical direction ఇస్తున్నట్లయితే హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ వద్ద దాని యొక్క వెలాసిటీ అనేది, అంటే మ్యాక్సిమం హైట్ లో సగం వద్ద దాని యొక్క వేగం అనేది ఎంత ఉంటుందంటే ఇక్కడ v is equal to u sin theta by root g ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, that is equal to, that means for a projectile y component of velocity at any instant time, half of the maximum height, v is equal to u sin theta by root 2. Okay, next one, note it. velocity of the projectile at any instant of the here now velocity of projectile velocity of projectile at half of the maximum height at half of the half of the maximum height at half of the maximum height. Okay, here maximum b is equal to u into 1 plus cos k theta by 2. Okay, how much here values? Velocity of projectile at half of the maximum height. This means this velocity two-dimensional motion. That means x and y component or x and z component or y and z component. Here diagram, clear cut diagram. For example, okay, here y component, y is x component. This one here x and y plane. Okay, y plane. Half of the maximum height. Half of the maximum height. This one here maximum height. Half of the maximum height means here, for example, point here. Okay, here h by 2. Here velocity, here final velocity here v, initial velocity u. Here initial point of projection theta, angle of projection point of projection 0, angle of projection theta. The final velocity of the projectile at, for example, at a point here b. Okay, the height of the projectile from the x component h by 2. Now, how to we will solve out this problem? This equation here, v is equal to u under root of 1 plus cos k theta by 2. Now, the velocity of the projectile along x-axis is constant. That means here u cos theta. This one here x component, x direction. Okay, this one here, this is of h by 2. This one x here, ux here, uy. Velocity ux, displacement x direction here, x y direction, half of the maximum height. Here velocity at point A, here at point A, uy. So uy is equal to u sin theta by root 2. At a point, initial velocity of the projectile along x-axis ux is equal to u cos theta. The initial velocity, velocity of the projectile at maximum height, uy is equal to here uy. For example, vy is equal to a point u sin theta by root 2. These two values here, final velocity, maximum height velocity, v is equal to under root of here ux square plus here uy square. Ux square plus your uy square. Uy means half of the maximum height along vertical direction. Ux, velocity of the projectile along the x direction. Here velocity of the projectile along the x direction does not change. Then you have విలువ x దిశలో దీని విలువ అనేది మారదు. So here this value is substituting here. Substituting. Okay. At maximum height, half of the maximum height, velocity v is equal to under root of these values are substituting. These values are here substituting. Here u cos theta square plus u by means here half of the maximum height. Velocity of the projectile half of the maximum vertical direction u sin theta by root 2 square. So simplifies under root of u square here cos theta plus this one here u square sin square theta by 2. Okay. This one LCM 2 into u square cos theta under root of 2 u square cos theta plus u square cos sin square theta sin square theta by 2. So finally this here v is equal to u square cos square theta plus here u is here common. Okay, next step v is equal to that formula u square cos square theta plus here u square sin square theta by 2 by under root. So in this equation u square is common, u square is here common, u square. Okay, next here cos theta plus here cos theta 2 cos theta plus here sin square theta by 2 under root. Okay, 2 cos theta 2 times here I will equate 2 cos theta 2 times rashana cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta u square is a common term, so this is equal to 1 here cos theta plus sin theta is equal to here 1. So simplifies v is equal to u square into cos square theta plus 1 by 2. So u square taken as outside the root, so v is equal to u into 1 plus here cos theta by 2. This is the velocity of projected at half of the maximum height, maximum height. Okay, this is the v is equal to u under root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay, thank you.